I wanted to explain the science of Sarvanyatva. See, all-knowing. Normally, your brain, when it thinks consecutively, cohesively, coherently, each of these are layer, consecutive, coherent, cohesive. If your brain can think one, next, one, next, one, next, one, and coherent, after this, that will happen, after that, that will happen, cohesive. If this happens, that will be the effect. If that happens, that will be the effect. If that happens, that will be the side effect, next effect. In every layer, coherently, cohesively, if your brain can think, it will lead to knowledge, vidya. In any field, you can have knowledge, medical, social, legal, political, economical. In any field, you can have knowledge if your brain can think coherently and cohesively. In Hindu tradition, we know the science of making your brain grasp the whole cosmos, the whole cosmic happening. When I was developing the software for Sarvanyatva, Sarvanyatva means the power to know everything. Successfully, I have also made many of my Gurukul Balasans to manifest this power for a particular period. When I was training them, initiating them, they started manifesting this power. It was very successful. Listen. All I needed to do was create an ecosystem inside them and outside them where the brain does not feel tired or bored by its own innate experience of the I-ness, existence. It needs to be inspired, excited. Atma Ananta, Swarupa Ananta. What they think as themselves, their Swarupa, that itself is exciting, that itself is inspiring, that itself is wow. That Swarupa Ananta within them and around them, they should have confidence to celebrate themselves, and the people around them should celebrate them, the Balasans. That is the way I created the ecosystem. Understand? Body not having parasites, microbes, especially fluoride calcination on your third eye. And anesthesia, when during these surgeries, when somebody is injected with anesthesia, system so much, almost for the whole life, that person loses the ability to manifest some of the powers. Anesthesia, see, when you are given anesthesia, even local anesthesia, it takes so much time almost impossible to get rid of its after effects even for years on your consciousness. Listen carefully. Physically, there won't be any, you will be all right. But your brain's capacity to radiate powers, to manifest powers, is permanently damaged if you start enjoying the narration you carry about you. Swarupa Ananda. And everyone around you enjoys the narration about you, which they carry in them. In that space, you manifest Sarvanyatva. Kailasa is the ecosystem to help you to enjoy the narration you carry about you. And everyone celebrates the narration they carry about you in them. You celebrate them, they celebrate you. In this kind of ecosystem, powers manifest just like that. That kind of a ecosystem makes nectar flow in your Sahasrara chakra, in your crown center. Even when your guru initiates you with his consciousness, the first thing happens is your Sahasrara chakra explodes in superconsciousness, that Paramashiva space. The nectar, Amrita, pours in your system. You enjoy the beautiful narrative of you carry inside you, that your Paramashivatva, and you enjoy the Paramashivatva of the whole universe, everyone around you. And everyone around you enjoys you. This complete virtuous circle. Like in the ocean, a bliss rises as a wave and hits at the ocean and creates another bliss wave. Bliss waves, bliss waves, bliss waves. This is the ecosystem of power manifestation. In this ecosystem, in this space, I was beautifully able to transmit the power of Sarvanyatva.